Welcome everybody, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Football View, and we know what today's video is all about. How good is Mohammed Alhassan? Kotoko signed him on a one-year deal from Hearts of Oak. Obviously it's a free transfer, but his last club was Hearts of Oak, and people have been using ex-Hearts of Oak player joins Kotoko. He's very good. That's how good he is. He's one of the players that brought command, leadership to the Hearts of Oak team, not only defense, team in general, and I'm very excited that Kotoko have seen this deal because Mohammed Alhassan all this year has been very instrumental in Hearts of Oak. He has partnered with a lot of defenders in Hearts of Oak, and he was the only one that was left. Hearts of Oak wanted to extend his contract because they know how important he was, they know what he brings to the team, they know the leadership he commands in the team, but the offer was not enough. The player felt that the offer Hearts of Oak submitted to him was not good enough, and that is why he refused to extend his contract with Hearts of Oak, and it was a free transfer. Reports stated that he wanted to travel out of the country. Obviously we know that any player in the Ghana Premier League that has an opportunity to play outside Ghana will grab the opportunity, considering the fact that they are being paid peanuts compared to the dollars and the pounds they're being paid outside the country. So I won't blame him for that. You have to check if there's an offer outside the country. If there's no offer, then you go to the next or the biggest club in Ghana, and that is Asante Kotoko. So I'm pleased that he has joined Asante Kotoko. I'm very pleased, and I think he's going to be one of the commanding presence at Asante Kotoko. Now fans were saying that he has to be consistent, but Hearts of Oak, he was consistent. He helped them win the league, he helped them win the MTN FA Cup, so he's a consistent defender. The only thing is that he needs someone that can complement him. If the defensive pairing at the center defensive pairing doesn't favor him, he's going to be catastrophic. So he needs a good defender, and Kotoko have that. We have Yusuf Mubarak, who would be a perfect pair for Mohammed Alhassan. So Yusuf Mubarak and Mohammed Alhassan, the center of defense at Kotoko, is going to be unstoppable. I think Kotoko, Nana Yamposa, Seydou Zebo, they all came together and decided that they need Mohammed Alhassan because of the way Kotoko have been conceding goals this season. Kotoko have played 16 games or 17 games in the Ghana Premier League this season, and they've kept only 4 clean sheets. That is very shocking. So that tells you why Kotoko decided to go and get Mohammed Alhassan. They recruited him to say, come and help us in the defense, and I'm very pleased that he's here at Kotoko. What will he bring to Kotoko? I've already said that he's going to bring leadership, he's going to bring a commanding presence in that defense. He's going to tell the players that, look, if I go out for interception, to intercept the ball, to tackle ball, stay and cover for me in case the person passes me or passes the ball. Obviously he's not 100% good, he's not perfect. There's some places where he needs improving. For example, going to tackle a player when he doesn't believe that his defender can do that. If his defensive partner is going out to tackle a player, he rushes out to also tackle the player, thereby creating space behind him for the player they are tackling to give a pass, and eventually leads to a very dangerous opportunity. So that is what he has to work on, because man marking is not good in the Ghana Premier League, because if all the players are rushing to tackle one player to create opportunity for other players, and they'll pass the ball to them, and they'll basically have a free shot at goal, and they'll score and get the win, or you lose your clean sheet. I'm very pleased that Mohammed Alhassan is at Kotoko. He's going to bring a lot of things to Kotoko, and I'm also happy that he signed for a one-year deal, because this kind of deal is a deal where you show that you are very good and get a deal outside the country, because staying to the end of the season means that at the end of the season you start looking for jobs. So he can stay to the end of the season and obviously get an offer outside the country that will help him get a move, maybe his dream move or anything. Kotoko is the club in Ghana that can get you the moves that your dream move. Mudasiru can tell you that, Kwame Poku can tell you that, Frank Mbella can tell you that Kotoko is the club where you can play and move to a very big club. Who would believe that Mudasiru will move from Kotoko to a Champions League club, European Champions League club? Who can believe that? So Kotoko is the club where players can go and showcase if you are really good, if you are very good, and you go there to showcase that you are really good. They will get you get an offer to play outside the country. Kwame Bonsu, several players have used Kotoko as a stepping stone to get offers from abroad. I won't say Kotoko players should come and Kotoko and stay for many years. They should shun offers from abroad and all. No. As a footballer in Ghana, you know how poor the economy is. You know how poor the football in the country is, and how badly they are being paid here. If they get the opportunity to go outside the country to play, they have to take it. So Mohammed Alhassan is a very good player, and I can't wait to see him play for Kotoko. I can't wait to see him wear the red Kotoko jersey. I can't wait to see him wear the green Kotoko jersey. I can't wait to see him perform very well for Asante Kotoko. So I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about the signing? Sir Alex Ferguson said, attack wins you games. Defense wins you trophies. If your defense is not good, you continue conceding goals, you will not achieve anything. So defense has to be extremely good before you can think of winning trophies. So if Kotoko want to maintain the Ghana Premier League this season, they have to involve Mohammed Alhassan in their plans, and they have to make sure that he's being paired with a very, very good centre back to complement each other. So that's all I think for today. I would like to know your thoughts. What do you think about Mohammed Alhassan? Put it in the comment section and tell me what you think. Till next time, guys. Goodbye.